Are you doing some gardening?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, good job. More flowers. How many do you have? Can I get the other ones?
The green ones.
The green ones.
How about putting them all back now?
Look. Oh, look. Actually, this one.
Some of that one? The purple ones?
Oh. Oh.
Should,
I gave me one.
should you count them? How many do you have?
A purple.
A purple.
How many are there altogether?
One. A silver. Another one.
Is that another purple one?
How many are there?
And the blue ones.
And the blue ones?
Yeah.
Can you count them? 1, 2.
Oh.
More?
See there. The purple ones.
Oh,